Welcome to Ekatra, a one-day show happening at Almira Gallery. That is 1st of December. Collection में उनके पास बहुत ही सुंदर chic casual collection है, थोड़ा ethnic collection है, jewelry के different types है. They also have home furnishing options. Along with that, they have beautiful options in footwear and tableware. They also have this cute miniature personalized option. And yes, it's a one-day show only, so don't forget to check them out. Almira Gallery, one day only, and swipe left to see the collection.
Hi everyone, we're here at Almira today, the brand Murar, and we've got some really cool clothes for you that you can style.
Lovely.
For your festive events, your pre-wedding functions, for casual events.
Right.
I mean, December is party season everywhere.
Lovely.
And this is just one of the last pieces left of the 4 that we have. Fun shirts and jackets and layovers. I know it's going to be difficult to understand how to wear it, so come by, I'll show you an interesting. Again, come over, I'll show you how to wear it. You can wear it as a jacket, as a top, as a layover. From recently, it's a marble effect matka silk.
Very
come on,
pretty.
ladies, this is something really fun. Style them, share them with your parents, your sisters,
Lovely.
friends. So this is a patola.
Okay.
We did this with the patola. One is a nice kurta, short kurta that you can wear, and we made a kimono with it.
Okay.
Now this is not something that you're going to see in a patola, so come by, something really interesting.
Love.
Yes, I have other crystals as well. I have coins, Vivo coins, pyrite keychains, tortoise, pyrite anklets, pyrite ring, lots of accessories.
Okay.
I have rose quartz duck pair, which is good for relationship. Then I have Himalayan salt lamp, selenite lamp, raw pyrite jewel that is good to attract abundance, prosperity. I have other bracelets depending on your name numbers. I have 7 chakra tree which will help heal your house energies.
This is brand Siva Silver and ma'am, today you have brought beautiful options in ethnic wear है, उनके पास थोड़ा सा festive collection है, शरारा set options हैं,
Something in mal.
something in mal. Look at that. So beautiful options if you are a wedding guest, if you want something for yourself. अगर आपको फेस्टिव्स के लिए कोई ऑप्शन चाहिए, then they have lots of options here. Okay. Something like this in Indo-Western as well, and they have beautiful option in jewelry. ये पूरे neck pieces हैं. They have cocktail rings, simple rings. They have stud option. If you like these pendant set options, they have that here too. मंगल सूत्र है उनके पास. They have lovely options in bracelets also. Loose bracelets में भी बहुत interesting styles हैं. If you want statement rings, they have that too. Look at this. These are anklets. Along with that, they have more options here in rings as well as in studs. This is brand Siva Silver. This is brand Table Toes and they have brought comfortable bridal wear. So if you're a bride and if you want something comfortable, or else if you are attending a wedding and you want something comfortable, they have lots of options in that. If you want something sassy, smart, then they have options in this also.
Then we have options in loafer also.
Okay.
ये भी comfortable रहेगा और ये पूरा हम लोग का न्यू कलेक्शन है हैंडवर्क के साथ.
Alright.
इसमें काफी
Variety.
एट द सेम टाइम लोफर हील्स अवेलेबल है.
Look at the options. They
थ्रेड
have
वर्क और
lovely options and plus they have taken care of your back also. So ये जितने भी options हैं सब Dr. Soul approved है. They are very back friendly. They also have options in beautiful bridal bags and along with that they have tableware जिसमें combo offers हैं. So you can pick any. These are all vegetable dyed, so they are completely harmless. Hello sir.
Hello,
Yes, your brand name?
my brand name is Craftery,
Okay.
and we are specialized working for the customized and personalized gift for the birthday, anniversary,
Okay.
and the pet products, and all are the miniature products. So
They are
it's very
miniature?
cute, and you can see my product.
Yes, so I would want to show you. ये बहुत ही सुंदर ऑप्शन है आपके खुद के लिए अगर आपको गिफ्ट करना है अपने फ्रेंड्स को. इफ यू आर अ पेट लवर, इफ यू आर somebody who's completing 50 years of their wedding anniversary, then cat lovers के लिए है, for babies,
This is for the QR code for the business.
QR code for business.
Yes.
They also have interesting guitar charms यहाँ पे, and this is how you can use them. So this is brand Craftery. You can definitely reach out to them for these cute miniature personalized gifting items. This is brand Fusion Dhaga. Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Yes.
my name is Mamta Agrawal and my brand name is Fusion Dhaga.
Okay.
I have linen cord set.
लिनन क्वाड सेट में ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास. ओके, वेरी स्मार्ट ऑप्शंस आई मस्ट से. These are just the glimpses. Okay, we have shirts like these. Mal Chanderi one pieces. Interesting.
I have heavy.
ओके, हेवी क्वाड सेट में भी उनके पास ऑप्शंस हैं. कॉइन स्टाइल में पूरा एप्लीक एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड.
And cord sets.
Okay, all right. And they customize also according to your choice, your colors, your preference. They have all these options. Look at that. उसके साथ साथ उनके पास थोड़ा सा festive wedding collection भी है. So they have this kaftan. They also have this interesting sari. Look at that. It can be customized in your color options and preferred choice. This is brand Shining Sales. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
So, ma'am has brought beautiful options in imitation jewelry जो 18 कैरेट gold plated है. उसमें आपको बहुत सारे options मिल जाएंगे. You will find options in rings, something in these stone studded earrings के options. If you want something in fusion for your western parties, cocktail parties, they have options in those too. Loose bracelets and more options in them. Lovely, look at that. They also have these pendant sets जिसमें heavy as well as delicate options हैं. These are more earrings for your parties, weddings, destination weddings. Just look at that. They have these necklaces also. Some more set options. Pearl की malas हैं उनके पास. Something like this in stud also. Just look at that. Very pretty. They have these bracelets also. Single bracelets. थोड़ी hair accessories भी है. Something very different. We have this too. This is brand Home Linen by Sapna and they have brought beautiful options in bath, kitchen and bedroom linens as well as furnishing, as well as mats, as well as bed sheets, napkins. बहुत सारे options हैं. These are all table mats हैं उनके पास in different styles. They have bed sheets. They have cushion covers, cute napkins option as well. They have these bamboo towels also. They have cushion के बहुत सारे options. They have something in kitchen napkins and they have these bed runners as well as beautiful options in these. Lovely. Look at that. Soft blankets हैं ये. उसके साथ साथ they have these table runners के भी बहुत सारे options. They also have this entire set that you can get. इसमें भी आपको बहुत सारे options मिल जाएंगे. Bed cover set है. Look at that. पूरा embroidery, cushion covers like I showed you. Beautiful. Hello.
Hi, this is Divyam from Dulce. So we specialize in quality baking products, which is handmade, artisanal, and very good premium quality products. No compromise on quality.
Lovely.
And so you can try some of our stuff.
Yes, so they have these preserved, they have granola, they have focaccia bread options, they have carrot cake ke options. This very tempting pull apart bun. They have New York style cookies. They have this cake. Look at that. They have vanilla butter cake option as well. They have these hampers as well that you can use for gifting. You can give it to your near and dear ones. Look at that. And you can customize it the way you want. So a very tempting, yummy looking counter.